Lakeside TV back in the house again tonight. What we're going to do tonight, we have some chicken breasts and some vegetable. That's what we're going to do tonight. Just chicken breast and vegetable. So just rock with me and roll with me and let us put this thing together. So stay tuned. Don't move a muscle and don't blink. If you blink, you're going to miss the link. Let's go down here and see what we have down here. So yes guys, this is what we have down here tonight. So vegetable over here. This is chicken breast. You will seasoning here. So we'll just put this thing together and I'm going to put into a skillet and make a nice vegetable dish. That's what we're going to do tonight. So stay tuned. Let us put this thing together. You know who say it? Who say it? Who say it, guys? Lakeside TV 954 and don't move a muscle. You see, with chicken, we already make sure you wash your chicken with vinegar, you know. Use vinegar and wash our chicken. You can use lime juice too and wash your chicken. But we already use our white vinegar for wash our chicken. Like use our vinegar. So everything washed down here, prep up and clean, just ready to go. So let's start put it together and season it up and jump on board with you guys. So just stay tuned. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we'll make sure wash our hand and start cut this meat. Keep our hand clean. Just like that. And you guys see what's going on. So okay, call one. Put up a little one carrot. I put up a carrot tonight. I want this well seasoned and put together. One carrot. It's a nice vegetable partner, very nice. So our green pepper. Make sure so you guys subscribe to the channel. This is it's a you know what is this? It's an Irish potato. Put the Irish potato into it. It's a very simple, very simple pot. Simple. Simple pot. Anybody can do this at home. We don't need a rocket scientist. All these wash already. Make sure you wash them. Like when I use this sweet pepper, we use the green one, I use the yellow one. So onion. We just use the seasoning to the amount of meat. Use the season. Use your this own discretion when the seasoning the meat. Alright. You pour a little soy sauce. I like when my meat kind of a little bit darkish. You pour a little soy sauce. Pour a little soy sauce into it. Okay. That chicken seasoning. little chicken seasoning, all purpose. So blend up seasoning, black pepper, everything into this one. This one now, chicken boy, when you use this one, you don't have to use salt. When you use these, you don't have to use turn. You guys can see it. No, you don't have to use salt when you use this one. And you're good to go. Just like that. So you do. Me just wash my hand. Cause I like when me use my hand and put the season. Cause I want the season to go down into the meat. So just wash your hand again. All right. We're going to turn the stove on. Turn the stove on. We're going to get little avocado oil. One little avocado oil into a skillet. Let it get hot. We don't want much. Little avocado oil into a skillet. And what we're going to do now, we're going to take the chicken out of the vegetable. Take the chicken out of the vegetable. Put the chicken into the skillet. First, before put the vegetable inside the skillet. So let this thing get hot. Alright, we're going to take all this chicken. Don't want our vegetable overcooked, so we'll make sure leave the vegetable inside the container. I think we have all the chicken. Yeah, I think we have all the chicken now. Look, people. It looks nice. Look at it. People, look at the final. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Yes, guys. Look on this. This is the finishing product. This is the finishing product. Vegetable and chicken breast. Vegetable and chicken breast. Beautiful dish. So make sure you say you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow Lakeside TV 954. I'm out. Catch you guys the next time. Who said Lakeside TV? And don't blink. If you blink, you're going to miss the link. Go and make this dish at home. Thank you very much. Have a blessed weekend. Peace.